Thank you so much. Wahara Guka Kalfasa, Wahara Guruji Kefala. I want to thank the Sikh Cultural Center, External Affairs and Public Policy Chairman Sukhjender Singh Nijjar and Community Advocate Japnet Singh. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, and thank you for allowing me to come at the temple and participate in the prayers as was mentioned. My name is Jumaane Williams. I'm the Public Advocate of the City of New York. I am the second highest ranking elected official in the City of New York. I'm also running for governor of the state of New York. But I'm here today to make sure that the Sikh community knows that there are leaders and communities that are making sure that we stand with you at all times. There are leaders who are making sure at this time what's going on with the city, the state, and the federal government, that we're speaking out when there are hate crimes being committed against the Sikh community and calling them hate crimes. That there are people who are speaking out saying that we have to have all languages, including Punjab, included when we're trying to communicate, making sure we have the community center that's needed. We have people who are speaking out and speaking up for people's voices who have been ignored for far too long. We do see a rise, unfortunately, in hate crime and a rise in violence. I've been a leading voice on public safety for such a long time. I'm very proud that we have a diverse community in my public advocate's office. We have to have that on the state level as well. I know all of us have probably known people we've lost during this pandemic. We've lost tens of thousands of New Yorkers, including Sikhs. And what we have to do now in their honor is not return to normal that we were before, when the Sikh community was being ignored, when all the issues were being ignored. We need a new normal. We have to normalize folks' lives, but we have to make sure we address all the issues, and that's where I'm running. Thank you so much. Thank you for this day. Thank you for your culture and everything you do for our city and our state.
Now we are going to be honor our public advocate. One thing I want to tell you, this one the first time in the New York history, New York City Governor come to the parade and come to the Gurdwara. Today our Honorable Mayor Eric Adam, he attended the parade. Our city speaker, City Council Speaker Andrea Adam, she attended the parade, and all the senator and our elected official. We really appreciate it because now they realize the Sikh community is always fighting for the front line, even when the Sandy came and the COVID came, and we are the part of the New York City. They acknowledge, and we're going to work with all the elected officials. So thank you. Now we're going to be honor our public advocate, Jumaane Williams. So please, yeah. So we like that kind of our public elected official. Sat Sri Akal, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.